Torque your truck wheel right every time. Torque it the torque fin way. The potential consequences of over-tightened or under-tightened lug nuts include wheel-off incidents, which can cause damage to equipment and property, personal injury, even death, leading to costly repairs and liability claims. Avoid these high-cost repairs and potentially catastrophic liability by using the torque fin. The torque fin is an easy-to-use torque wrench stand that is lightweight and durable. Torque fin links with your manual torque wrench in seconds, stabilizes your torque wrench to ensure accurate and precision torque time after time, and saves time and money. Using the torque fin is easy. First, use your air gun to snug the lug nuts on when remounting the wheel. Place torque wrench extension through the hub hole of the torque fin. Install socket on the lug nut. Slide torque fin on the extension until it touches the sidewall of the tire. Push down, hand over hand, with light pressure on the end of the torque wrench handle. Torque lug nut to manufacturer's specifications. In a star pattern, repeat this procedure until all lug nuts are torqued. Doing it the torque fin way greatly reduces your company's liability by giving you an accurate precision torque every time, minimizing the risk of costly injuries and repairs. It's important to remember that air wrenches never precisely tighten lug nuts. In fact, leaving an air wrench on a lug nut for just 2 seconds too long can over-torque the lug nut by hundreds of pounds. Here is a rear wheel on a dump truck which was installed using only a 1-inch hammer gun, being torque checked. With a torque wrench set to 750 foot-pounds, the torque wrench breaks. This confirms that the lug nuts on this wheel are over-torqued by at least 250 foot-pounds. This excessive torque can cause stretching of the wheel stud, which could then break, resulting in a wheel-off incident, causing serious injury and damage. Torque fin stands are professionally constructed to precise standards using high-quality materials to handle the beating of daily use, while retaining their craftsmanship to get the job done quickly and accurately. Torque fin is designed so that one person can operate it, saving your shop both time and money. Make torque fin part of your wheel torque maintenance safety program today. You'll be glad you did.